Spirit machinist levels have been around for over 100 years. They are used in all types of leveling applications. And make no mistake, they work great. As with anything in life, we evolve, we move forward, we get more efficient, and using a digital precision level is a step in that direction. This digital form of precision level will potentially help us achieve a higher level of efficiency and convenience while getting the job done. These digital levels come with a touchscreen handheld terminal about the size of a cell phone with Bluetooth capabilities. This level weighs about 7.5 pounds, and the flatness accuracy of the level is plus or minus 0.0001 inches or plus or minus 0.003 millimeters over the length of the measurement. 3 AAA batteries are used to operate this level, and they are located behind this cap. Unscrew the cap to gain access to the batteries. The handheld terminal uses a USB port to charge the internal battery. Power on the level by pushing this button here. And power on the handheld terminal by sliding the tab forward. Once the unit is fully booted up, select the mode you want to operate in from the upper right corner: inches, millimeters, or degree. The bubble here on the screen monitors the movement as you make adjustment at the leveling feet, eliminating the hassle of going up and down to check the level each time you make an adjustment. These digital levels have some cool features. First off, you can connect just one level or up to 6 levels at the same time. In this video, we're connecting 2 levels to one handheld terminal. It supports data point logging and allows you to save and export information in Excel for review via this SD card. We'll do another video where we'll take a deep dive into how to set up, calibrate, and use the level. For now, here's a quick synopsis of how to use the device. Verify the level is calibrated by using a qualified level surface. I'm going to use this surface plate. This is a qualified surface that has been calibrated and checked annually. We'll use it to calibrate this digital level. Use the right angle attachment to assist when the level is rotated 180 degrees during calibration and operation. Place the attachment against the right angle plate. Then place the digital level up against the attachment. Press the calibration button in either the single machine mode or the multi-machine mode. Follow the prompts accordingly to complete the calibration process. Once calibrated, transfer the level to the machine to be leveled. Place the level in the middle of the table parallel to X and put the table in the middle of travel. from the handheld terminal, use the two virtual vials to assist with the level. This allows you to focus on the handheld terminal while adjusting the leveling screws without the need to go back and forth from the table to the leveling screws. You can simply move from leveling screw to leveling screw, all while monitoring the machine movement on the handheld terminal. It is that easy. For your convenience, you can find this tool and others on the tooling website. And for more information on Haas machines, service, or tooling, visit haascnc.com. And thanks for watching.